Welcome to Linh House, your ultimate destination for home design inspiration. We're passionate about helping you create your dream home. From the grand exterior to the cozy interior, our channel offers a wealth of ideas, tips, and tutorials to guide you through every step of the design process. Whether you're building a new home or renovating an existing one, we've got you covered. Join us as we explore various architectural styles, interior design trends, and practical DIY projects to transform your house into a home you'll love. A modern monolith amidst nature's canvas. The modern black house, a striking contrast against the lush greenery of its surroundings, is a testament to the power of architectural design to harmonize with nature. Its exterior, a sleek and minimalist canvas of black, reflects the ever-changing hues of the sky, creating a dramatic and visually arresting spectacle. The house's integration with natural materials is a key element of its design. The use of natural stone for the foundation and exterior walls provides a sense of grounding and solidity, anchoring the structure to the earth. The tiled roof, a traditional element that complements the house's modern aesthetic, adds a touch of warmth and character. The wooden floor in front of the house, a natural material that invites barefoot walks and connects the inhabitants with the earth, further enhances the sense of harmony with nature. The house's placement in front of a lawn, a verdant expanse of green that softens the structure's starkness, adds a touch of vitality and life. The lawn, a symbol of growth and renewal, contrasts beautifully with the house's dark exterior. Behind the house, the lake and mountains create a breathtaking backdrop, offering panoramic views that are both awe-inspiring and serene. The interplay between the house's dark exterior and the natural light that illuminates the surrounding landscape creates a dynamic and ever-changing visual spectacle. The house's silhouette is cast against the sky, creating dramatic shadows that dance across the lawn and reflect in the lake. The interplay between light and shadow adds depth and dimension to the scene, enhancing the house's visual impact. In conclusion, the modern black house is a remarkable example of contemporary architecture that seamlessly integrates with its natural surroundings. Its design, a masterful blend of modern aesthetics and traditional elements, creates a dwelling that is both visually striking and psychologically soothing. The house's placement in front of a lawn, with the lake and mountains as a backdrop, further enhances its sense of harmony with nature. The interplay between the house's dark exterior and the natural light creates a dynamic and ever-changing visual spectacle, making the house a truly unforgettable experience. Comment below to share your favorite garden. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your garden. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.